Samantha is not having a good day. She is not having a good hair day. Oh yeah, here's the fit. Look at the clips. Look at the clips. We all looking cute. Especially Samantha.
With my ratchet hair.
Hans the Southern Isles, we love him.
Yeah, we really do. This is Sarah. There's a tornado.
Oh my god, this is so creepy.
We're in a boy's locker.
We don't go crazy during a tornado.
We're gonna get taken away by the tornado.
Someone just turned on a blow dryer.
Ew, I look so gross right now. Look at my
You
hair.
can't point it out. This is my friend Vic, amiguito.
That's me, amiguito.
You want to be part of the vlog?
Yo es un
Come here.
amiguito.
It's Vic Yannick, bro.
It's during school.
Maybe
That
it's
is
like
not
maybe your
politically
sock
correct.
like rubs it off. You know what I mean? Is that a thing? Your sock could like rub it off. Is that a thing?
No.
You're a runner. It could rub. I think I'm right.
My socks don't do that to me.
I wish mine did that.
I have follow close.
Wow. Okay,
Look at that.
bend the way you were talking. Bend off.
Ew. Wait, was it
Your head behind your feet. Do it again. Do it again.
Doing it for your weird.
I'm dumb.
I don't shit, like I swear. But like,
I don't want to look at your ankles. Why are you looking at me like that?
Don't look at us. Sente, did I say you could look at me? No.
I'm not gay.
Did I say you could talk to us? No. What?
What about that?
Oh, honey,
Oh no! Sis better get some extensions.
pay for that.
Day what? Day what? Day what? Hi guys. Three. And I got my hair. Day three. Day three.
Hey!
Right.
Hey, what's up? It's Kylie. Go Bucks. Hey Sam, come over here. Come here. How come golf is interesting? It's so ugly.
How much would one of you give to meet Orpheus?
What's up, the vlog? What are we calling this? The day in the life of prison.
Isabella Iglesias.
Extra gum.
To room 220. Isabella Iglesias.
Sorry, I
room
gotta put my
220,
weave back. I'm gonna have to give it a
finger.
my monster set. Your monster. My monster.
Girl Packer, we will stay inside today. Go ahead and get changed.
Where's your book?
Huh?
Where's your book?
In my backpack. I don't care. I'll put it in my locker later.
Bye, CJ. See you, Leah. Okay, so I finished getting done. I don't like it. I don't like my makeup. I don't want to wear makeup right now.
It looks so pretty.
Thanks, mommy. But yeah, my eyes look cool. I used the James Charles Looks Morphe palette. Mommy looks pretty too. I'm not gonna rant, but I did put on.
Wow.
I put on some boots, so I'm not wearing Converse anymore. But I still got the pins on. Guys, so I've got a little surprise here. I'm here. Me too. This is the squad. We're obviously the cutest ones here.
Obviously, look at this. Look at this.
Oh, this is Emily. She's my son, Bert. This Leah. She kind of looks like an egg.
Dad.
This Kenzie. She looks like Jessie from Toy Story. And then Hannah. Hannah looks like a flower.
Oh my gosh, it's all over your forehead.
It's kind of pretty though.
Makes you look like a
I
mermaid.
can't like end that on such like an abrupt note of just like a close up of my face. So, peace.